today we've been on a bike ride. Well, firstly to get some panniers for our bike, which we fitted in the shop, and then we decided to go to
Cadbury World to get a small bar of chocolate.
Yeah, this is the smallest one they do.
Yeah, so we felt that we needed to buy it.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, you know, energy food like.
Yeah, so yeah, good job we got the pannier rack.
Yeah, definitely. So they've earned their money already. Today we've done 25.6 miles.
26 and a half!
Okay, 26 and a half now. And we really want to push it to 30 today, that next little milestone. So I think we're going to go for it.
Feeling quite good.
Yeah, definitely. The legs are feeling really good. But a little bit sore, but certainly getting used to it.
Yeah.
So I think we're getting a bit cycle fit.